boys and girls, G Sharma here, and today we are about to meet the Queen, Miss Universe Catriona Gray. Join us for this exciting, eventful, and heartwarming day as we get closer to this Pinay Aussie beauty who just won the heart of the entire universe. First stop is here at the press con at Shangri-La BGC.
Now let's welcome Front Row President, Mr. R.S. Francisco. And may we also have the Vice Chairwoman of LCS Group of Companies, CEO of Platinum Skies Aviation and FinTech Architect, Rochelle Singson Michael.
When we had the chance to partner with LCS and Miss Universe, we grabbed on right away. And Front Row would have allowed their voice in reaching out to more charities. We've been blessed, and we want to share our blessings to more charities, organizations. And that's what we intend to do with Catriona's power and voice.
Please welcome 2018 Miss Universe Catriona Gray.
Yay!
We are here for an amazing cause, which is of course the partnership of Front Row with Miss Universe Organization for Gentle Hands, which we're giving gifts to the children today, which I think is a great thing to be a part of. So maraming salamat po for all being here. Thank you for the support in my Miss Universe journey.
Nakakatuwa naman po because really I believe in education, I believe in investing into children. It may not have a quick turnaround, but it is a long-term work. But it really does shape up the lives of kids into making them into good character, moral adults, and that will carry our generation forward. So to see Gentle Hands, the work that they do, that makes me feel like a really great honor to be here, to be a part of this event, especially with Front Row, with Gentle Hands. Sana more people will know about them, more people will reach out, more people will support.
PressCon is over and we are now at our second stop, which is the Gentle Hands Orphanage, where Miss Universe Catriona Gray and Front Row will be spreading some love.
Well, it started as a birthing clinic, and as time went on and as we started to realize that there was a greater need for children that were dying and children that were very ill, children that were abandoned, we changed it into a foundation.
Lahat ng staff sa Front Row, thank you so much for opening your heart up this Christmas season. It's very inspiring that you are broadening the reach, you are making people aware, and are giving an example of what it is to be giving at Christmas. So please continue the good work that you do. Please keep your hearts open in this way, and I hope to be working with Front Row Cares more in the future.
And there you have it, guys. The stars have aligned once again for Miss Universe and Front Row. Once again, this is G Sharma, and like the rest of you, I can't wait for what else is in store with Miss Universe Catriona Gray and Front Row Cares. See you all soon, and stay tuned through Front Row TV. Like, subscribe, and share!
Only at Front Row.